Oh yeah, TOA.
County, Indiana, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:19 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Winnemucca to Delphi, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Logansport, Peru, Wabash.
Oh, they're gonna tell them that.
North Manchester, Monticello, Grissom Air Force Base, Akron, Walton, Bunker Hill, Royal Center, Mexico, Lincoln, Wells, Galveston, Miami, Converse, Kewanna, Erie, and Denver. Diminishing 40 to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Grant,
That'll be a doubleheader.
Alaska, and Wabash. This watch includes the following county: Fulton, Indiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather storms include Three Rivers, Constantine, and White Pitches. This for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.